Hello, people. Ashish is back with another real business case scenario. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a practical real time business scenario and how we can achieve that in Odoo. That too with all native, no any external code or no any third party app. Many times, sales users don't know the last purchase price of a product while creating a quotation. Because of that, they may unknowingly sell below cost, which directly affects the company margin. That is but obvious. So, today in this particular video, I will show you how we can add the last purchase price of that particular product or SKU that is added into the line, and even we will trigger a warning if my sales price is lower than the last purchase price. Now, the last purchase price that the system or I am considering right now in this particular scenario is only purchase order which are in the confirmed state. So let us start with the tutorial. So for that, as you can already see my Odoo dashboard screen. So what I will do is, first of all, I need a field where I will be able to showcase or populate my last purchase price. I have already done this. So what I will do is I'll just quickly showcase you all the developments. These are not the developments, but the basic things that I have done. So for that, let me just quickly open the sales. Then if I try to create a new quotation, you can find a field here called last purchase price. Now you will say, hey, all these things you have already done, but we are here to understand how it can be done. I totally agree with you. So for that, what we will do is I will simply first start with the studio, because this is the field that needs to be added via studio. So I will enable that. Here you can see my studio is enabled. Now I can add the fields that I need. So what we will be doing is, oops, we need to first click here because I need to add a field in this one. So what I will do is I'll simply click here, one single click only, and we need to edit the list view. So we will edit the list view. Once I click on the list view, now you will be able to relate with this one. So you can see product description, last purchase price. By the way, this is the field that I have added. What you have to do is simply drag this field and add it here. I'm not doing that because I have already done it. So you just simply need to pick this field and add it here. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just, for the sake of simplicity, let me just add it. Make sure the field is monetary. So as you can see, I have added a new monetary field here. This is the label, and this is the technical name. By the way, technical name is very much important. So you can see the technical name is here, and this is the label name, means the name of this particular field which will be available to you in the front end. And this is the technical name, which this is how the Odoo will know what is the name of this field. So just don't get confused between the label and technical name. So make sure whatever code I'm giving you, you just replace your field's technical name with that. I'll give you an example of that as well. So this is the technical name. We don't need to do anything else. Everything else Udo will take care of. So I have just added a new monetary field here. Let me just close this. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll just remove this one because it will unnecessary create the confusion. Let me just okay, just go back. So this is a new monetary field. We don't need this anymore. So you can see that field is now vanished. Let me just close that. So step number one is create a new field by using Odoo Studio. That is point number one. Now the second point is, oops, let me just take this aside. The second point is just open or enable the debug mode. So this is the classic way in the I use debug mode. Just simply write D, press enter. I am already into debug mode, so I'm not doing that. Now we will create an automated action. So you can see, oops, not this one, automation rules. So I have already created one. I'll just open that and showcase you. So my model will be sale order line, because we need the purchase price to be updated against each sales order line. So that's why I added this. Trigger is this one. By the way, you can just simply at the time of doing this, you can refer my video. When updating, you can add this and execute a code. Just add the executor code, and by the way, don't worry, I'll just copy paste the whole code into my YouTube's video. You can pick from there. If you remember, just few minutes ago I told you one thing: just make sure if you are directly copying this code, you copy this as well, or your technical field name should be this X Studio purchase price. By the way, this is the technical name. If you don't want to use this name, no problem, just copy your name and paste it here. You can see X Studio last purchase price. This is a technical name of the field that I have added. So this is something which is very much important. Let me just close that. Now what I will do is I'll just showcase you how it is working as of now. We will create a new product that is called Uncle Chips, because I love to eat chips. That's why track inventory true. No changes required in this one. As of now, I don't have any inventory for that. So what I will do is I will just purchase that. Purchase it from Ash only, no problem. Quantity maybe 10, unit price 120. Save, confirm. Now I'm not receiving it as of now. So my last purchase price is 120. Now let us see the code that we have done is working or not. Let us create a new sales order. Here you can see that's my last purchase price of a particular product. So Uncle Chips. Once we save this, okay. So what's happening here is my warning is being already raised. So what I will do is, let me just do it this way. So here you can see my last purchase price is updated. Why the warning was coming? Because in the third step, what I have done is I have added one more warning. So if your sales price is lower than the last purchase price, system won't allow you to move ahead. Now here you can see my, just let me add 100 rupees here, so it will give me a warning. Now let us try creating another purchase order. Oops, I want to discard the change. My last price was 120. Now let me just change it to 50. Save this, confirm, and now just to work on that warning, I'll add 60 here. So at the time of creating a sales order, it won't create an issue. If I try to save, yes, it's not giving me any error. Now if I click on 40 and try to save this, it won't allow me to do so. And also if you try to confirm this, it won't even allow you to confirm it. So yeah, there are a lot of things which can be done in this as well. Might be you might be having some different test cases too. I would love to discuss those test cases, but I hope you got an idea how we can use the automated actions and Odoo Studio fields to do these kind of things. By the way, I'm adding all the codes, both the codes, into my YouTube video description. You can find the code from there. If you have any further more suggestions, or maybe any questions or any business cases that you are stuck on, just feel free to comment. And also, I'm very much active on LinkedIn. You can directly ping me there as well. Thank you. I hope this video was useful for you.